Hello everybody. Our topic today is about citizenship. Okay, our objectives today is at the end of the lesson, learning should be able to 1. Know the 1987 Philippine Constitution as a source of citizens' rights and privilege. Number 2. Explain citizenship and avenues for citizen participation. Number 3. Identify the rights, privilege, and obligation of citizens.
A citizen is an individual who invested in society and contributes to its ability by performing their civic duties. It is important that each person must understand the value of being a citizen in a certain country. Ang isang mamamayan ay isang individual na namumuhunan sa lipunan at nag-aambag sa kakayahan nito sa pamamagitan ng pagtupad sa kanilang mga tungkulin bilang mamamayan. Mahalaga na maunawaan ng bawat isa ang halaga ng pagiging mamamayan sa isang partikular na bansa. Halimbawa nito ay ang pagboto sa mga eleksyon ay isang mahalagang tungkulin ng mamamayan sa pamamagitan ng pagboto. Nakakapag-ambag ang mga mamamayan sa pagpili ng mga pinuno at sa paghubog ng kinabukasan ng bansa. A good citizen must live in peace and harmony with his or her neighbors and fellow citizens. He or she must respect the institutions of his or her country. A citizen must always respect the laws of the state and should have no patience with criminals and antisocial elements. He or she must be vigilant against the enemies of the country. Ang isang mabuting mamamayan ay nagbibigay ng prioridad sa pagkakaisa ng lipunan, paggalang sa mga institusyon at pagsunod sa mga batas. Una, pamumuhay na mapayapa at maayos. Ang isang mabuting mamamayan ay nag-aayos ng mga konfliktong mapayapa at nagpapatibay ng magandang relasyon sa mga kapitbahay. Halimbawa nito, pagsagip sa isang hindi pagkakaunawaan sa pagitan ng mga kapitbahay tungkol sa ingay at paghahanap ng solusyon na kapaki-pakinabang sa lahat. Pangalawa, pagsunod sa mga batas. Ang isang mabuting mamamayan ay sumusunod sa mga batas at regulasyon. Halimbawa nito, pagsunod sa mga patakaran sa trapiko, pagbabayad ng buwis sa tamang panahon o pag-uulat ng mga krimen sa mga otoridad. Pangatlo, pagmamasid laban sa mga banta. Ang isang mabuting mamamayan ay nananatiling may alam at nag-uulat ng mga kahina-hinalang aktibidad. Halimbawa, pag-uulat sa isang potensyal na banta sa seguridad o krimen sa mga otoridad.
What is citizen? A citizen is a member of a democratic community who enjoys full civil and political rights and is accorded protection inside and outside the territory of the state. Citizens may be regarded by all nations either born in their territories or born of their citizens, or it could be both. Okay, the explanation of citizen. A citizen is a member of a democratic community who enjoys civil and political rights and is protected by state whether nasa loob o labas siya ng bansa. In short, ang mga mamamayan ay may mga karapatan at proteksyon bilang bahagi ng isang bansa. What is citizenship? It denotes membership of a citizen in a political society, which membership implies reciprocally a duty and allegiance on the part of the members and duty of protection on the part of the states. Citizenship means being a member of a political society. It involves rights and responsibilities. May tungkulin tayong maging tapat sa ating bansa at tungkulin naman ng Estado na protektahan tayong lahat. How to acquire citizenship? There are two methods in order to acquire citizenship. Number 1, involuntary method. Number 2, voluntary method. Aalamin natin kung ano-ano ito sila. Involuntary method. By birth because of blood relationship or place of birth membership in a nation. Is largely involuntary. That is, most people initially become citizen of nation and subject to its rules without any deliberate choice. By Rani, 1995. Ito ay ang birth either sa pamamagitan ng dugo o lugar ng kapanganakan. Ang pagiging mamamayan dito ay hindi pinipili. Automatic ito base sa iyong pinagmulan. Ang voluntary method naman ay, by naturalization is the act of formally adopting a foreigner into a political body of the state and clothing him with the rights and privilege of citizenship. It is a voluntary method to acquiring citizenship by renouncing his former citizenship and embracing a new one. Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng naturalization kung saan ang isang dayuhan o formal na inampon ng bansa bilang mamamayan. Ginawa ito ng kusang loob at karaniwang kailangan niyang i-renounce o talikuran ang dating citizenship niya. What are the obligations of citizens? The obligations of the citizens are: Number 1, loyalty and have a sense of patriotism in his/her country. Number 2, obey the laws of the land. Number 3, participate in political processes. As a citizen, we also have a duties to fulfill. Number 1, maging tapat at mapagmahal sa bayan. Number 2, sumunod sa mga batas ng bansa. Number 3, makilahok sa mga pampulitikang proseso gaya ng pagboto at paglahok sa mga usaping panlipunan. So in short, this section and concept teach us being a citizen is not just about enjoying our rights. It's also about fulfilling our responsibilities. The government protects and supports us, but in return, we must also loyalty, obey the law, and participate in building our nation. Who are the citizens of the Philippines? Number 1, those who are citizens of the Philippines at the time of the adoption of this constitution. Number 2, those whose fathers or mothers are citizens of the Philippines. Number 3, those born on January 17, 1973, the Filipino mothers who elect Philippine citizenship upon reaching the age of majority. And number 4, those who are naturalized in accordance with law. In short, maging citizen ka ng Pilipinas either by birth kung ang parents mo ay Filipino, or by naturalization kung dayuhan ka pero legal kang tinanggap bilang mamamayan. Who are natural born citizens? Natural born citizens are those who are citizens of the Philippines from birth without having to perform any act to acquire or perfect their Philippine citizenship. Natural born citizens are people who are Filipino from birth, meaning hindi na nila kailangang gumawa ng kahit anong legal act para maging citizen. Halimbawa, kung ipinanganak ka sa mga magulang magulang mo na parehong Filipino, automatic na citizen ka. How to lose citizenship? Ways to lose citizenship. Number 1. Voluntary. A. By naturalization in a foreign country. B. By express renunciation of citizenship. C. By supporting the constitution and laws of a foreign country. D. By rendering service to the armed forces of a foreign country. Number 2. Voluntary. By the cancellation of his certificate of naturalization by the court. B. By having been declared as a deserter in the Philippines Armed Forces in time of war. If we say voluntary is nagkusang loob. Kapag nagpa-naturalize ka sa ibang bansa, naging citizen ka ng ibang bansa. Ang ikalawa ay kapag nag-renounce o tinalikuran mo ang pagiging Pilipino. Ikatatlo, kapag sinuportahan mo ang konstitusyon at batas ng ibang bansa. Ikaapat, kapag naglingkod ka ng armed forces ng ibang bansa. Ang pangalawa naman ay ang involuntary ay sa pilitan. Kapag nakansela ng korte ang iyong certificate of naturalization. Ikalawa, kapag idiniklara kang deserter o tumakas mula sa Philippine Armed Forces sa panahon ng digmaan. How to reacquire citizenship? Ways to reacquire citizenship. A. By the repatriation of deserter of the Philippines Armed Forces. B. By a direct act of the Congress. C. By naturalization. Kung nawala mo man ang iyong citizenship, maaari mo pa rin itong mabawi o maibalik sa tatlong paraan. Ang ika-isa ay by repatriation, pagbabalik ng citizenship ng mga dating miyembro ng Philippine Armed Forces. Ang ikalawa, by a direct act of Congress, kung may batas na ipinasa para dito. Pangatlo, by naturalization, muli kang dadaan sa proseso ng pagiging citizen. What is a dual citizenship? Dual citizenship is a situation in which a person simultaneously owes, by some positive act, loyalty to two or more states. It arises because our laws cannot control laws of other countries or citizenship. Ito ay piniliwanag ng Republic Act No. 9225 o ang Citizen Retention and Reacquisition Act of 2003 na nagsasabing natural-born citizen of the Philippines who lost their citizenship by becoming naturalized in a foreign country can reacquire it by taking an oath of allegiance to the Republic.